Ready to unlock a faster, easier way to buy crypto? Let's dive into how you can use Apple Pay on Coinbase in under 90 seconds. First, make sure you have the Coinbase app downloaded and you're logged in. If you don't have it, head to the App Store to download it. Once you're in, tap on the Buy button located at the bottom center of your screen, represented by a prominent circle, to initiate a new transaction. Now, you'll see a list of cryptocurrencies available for purchase. Select the cryptocurrency you want to buy. For this example, let's assume you want to buy Bitcoin, so tap on Bitcoin or any other crypto you prefer. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy in your local currency. You can type in the specific amount you want to spend. Once you've entered the amount, tap on the Preview Buy button located at the bottom of the screen. On the Preview Buy screen, you'll see a breakdown of the transaction, including any fees. Look for the Payment Method section. If Apple Pay is not automatically selected, tap on the current payment method displayed. A list of available payment methods will appear. Select Apple Pay from this list. You might be prompted to authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID. Go ahead and do that. Review the details one last time to make sure everything is correct. Once you're happy with the details, tap the Buy Now button to finalize your purchase. You will see a confirmation screen. And that's it. Your cryptocurrency purchase using Apple Pay on Coinbase is complete. You'll see a confirmation message, and the purchased cryptocurrency will be added to your Coinbase account. Enjoy the speed and security of Apple Pay for your crypto needs. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks.